क्या आप भी वर्चुअल बॉक्स इंस्टॉल कर रहे हो, इंस्टॉल नहीं हो रहा? तो इस वीडियो में आपका ये प्रॉब्लम फिक्स करने वाला हूं। तो इसके लिए आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट सी प्लस प्लस रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इंस्टॉल करने की ज़रूरत है। सो यू नीड टू इंस्टॉल दैट। सो लेट्स गो टू स्क्रीन। So guys, so now we are on a screen. So as you can see, so you just need to download the Microsoft Visual Studio Visual C++ redistribution pack. So it's pack. So you need to download it from Microsoft website. You make sure you should download from official Microsoft website. So I have already downloaded my uh, so this is the setup file. So you just need to run after installing. You need to reboot your computer. It's a Windows computer. So after rebooting, now you can run your setup or VirtualBox setup. So this is the normal VirtualBox setup. Now you can easily install your VirtualBox. You need to reinstall all the network setting, or your network card will reboot while after installing, and your internet connectivity will be disconnected while you installing because it's installing the network card virtual network adapter. So simply you just need to install and then you need to reboot your computer. So that's a easy way. So simply just you need to reboot. So now you can check. So this is the variant. So now we have installed VirtualBox 7.0. So you can check the VirtualBox variant. So it's a 7.0. So hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, so please give the thumbs up and share it with your friends. So see you in next video.